Using Google Analytics site search is a great way of finding keyword topics that you might not have thought of. Many website owners perform keyword research and competitor analysis regularly without considering what people who visit their website are telling them that they want. Essentially, by using the site search analytics report, we can find juicy keyword ideas. If you haven't set up site search reporting in Google Analytics, here's how you do it. Open up the admin section and then view settings. Select the website view, scroll down to query parameter and enter the string that WordPress uses in the URL when someone searches. You can find this string by performing a search on your site and checking the URL like this. If you've only just enabled site search, you'll have to wait some time before you can get any data back. So presuming you've been recording data, open up Google Analytics and go to Behaviour, Site Search. Expand the data out to say 1 year and export this data. Now go to Google Search Console and export the query data. Put the queries or search terms into one Excel spreadsheet in 2 columns and compare the columns using the Conditional Formatting tool. Choose Highlight Cells rules, duplicate values, pick a format or use the default and click OK. Excel will highlight search terms that appear in both columns. Look on the Site Search Terms column for topics that you don't cover on your website. From there, you can do further keyword research on interesting topics.